So now here I am going to teach you the another topic of the same chapter, and that topic is crop pattern. So do you know what is crop pattern? Crop pattern means that farmers can use the any type of system or any type of pattern in their crop field area to get the maximum production and to improve the fertility of soil and to use of total nutrient medium and total nutrient material, and irrigation will be in the less percentage. So they can use so many patterns and so many experiment related to crop inside their crop field area. So these are called the crop pattern. So now we are going to study how many type of crop pattern or what exactly crop pattern is there. So here exactly crop pattern in India. Cropping pattern is a dynamic concept because it changes over space and time. It can be defined as the proportion of area under various crops at a point of time. In India, the cropping pattern determined by rainfall, climate, temperature, soil types, and technology. So that is called the actually and exactly crop pattern. So different ways of growing crops are used for maximum benefit. These includes mixed cropping, intra-cropping, and crop rotation. So in agriculture, multiple cropping or multi-cropping is the practice of just growing two or more crops in the same piece of land or same crop or same crop field area during one growing session or in one time. Okay, so instead of just one crop, it is a form of polyculture or it is a form of mixed cropping. So in the other word, we are going to say mixed cropping means is growing two or more crops together in the same field in any manner or in then some in sequence, and that is called mixed cropping. For example, so many examples are there in our India we are that farmers are using as a mixed cropping. So in the mixed cropping, farmers can use that wheat together, wheat and then gram. Another mixed cropping between wheat and related the that other related plants, and then groundnut. Next crop will be groundnut and sunflower. So these are the mixed cropping. These are together they can grow in a same field. Another best example of mixed cropping is that wheat and mustard. So many it is related to that quality of cropping and quality of seed, and then nourishment. It is very necessary that total based on nourishment, that if the different nourishment or different nutrient are taken by the different crop, so first the uh, farmers having that experience, and they study about that ki what are the which type of nutrient material are taken by the different crop, and then after they are growing the different seeds in the same field area as a mixed cropping. So best examples are wheat and then gram, and second example is wheat and mustard, and the third example is groundnut and sunflower. So these are the best example of the mixed cropping. So due to the mixed cropping, so many benefits are there. Together in a same time, they are using the irrigation, total irrigation, that pesticides, fertilizers and manures, and in a one time they are using, and farmers can get the multiple crop together, two and more crop together. So that is the first benefit of the mixed cropping. Second benefit of the mixed cropping, that is in a one time that farmer can get a different variety of crop in one time. So that different variety of crop and that maximum crop they can get in a one time and in one session of the year, and related to the all the related to the material which are using for the crop, in they are using in one time, and in that with that less effort they are getting a maximum variety of crop in a same time. So that mixed cropping, not only the crop field area, that gardeners can also that take that process, and due to the this process they are taking the maximum huge amount of benefit of different variety of fruits also. So it is belongs to that cropping, mixed cropping of fruit also. So in a same time they are taking in a one area cropland, and they are growing the different variety of fruits plant, and together they can get the same season, same in a one season, related to the one seasonal fruits they are taking in a one period. So these are the benefit of the mixed cropping.